Hey everyone, welcome back to Integrative Psychonautics. Hope you're doing well out there. So yeah, as you can gather from the title of this video, I have indeed been using ChatGPT number 4 to help me do some work on a project that I've been making for you guys in the background while I'm kind of busy, doing my coaching work and doing these videos. So I thought I would share a little bit about it, just kind of a short video here, talk a little bit about how that project's been going, what that project is, how ChatGPT has been a part of it, and kind of my thoughts about all that. So let's talk about it for a sec. Okay, so full caveat up front here. I'm someone who is kind of open-minded, but still skeptical about AI. So yes, I use AI in certain things. For example, I have some music software that I use that involves AI. And, in general, if you're using Google or any of Google's, products, which I do for my business, there's AI involved there. I know that. And I'm kind of open-minded to it. I'm curious about it, but at the same time, I want to be honest and upfront that I am also quite a bit skeptical about AI in the future, around AI, around AGI, general artificial intelligence, and concerned about it taking over, concerned about all the kind of issues around the alignment problem, all that stuff. So I have mixed feelings, and so I thought I would kind of check out ChatGPT for myself, mostly out of curiosity. Now, I see a lot of people posting online kind of, saying these raving, glowing reviews about it. And if I'm to be totally honest, so far, I've not been blown away in general. But I did decide that it would be perfect for this project that I've been working on in the background, which is essentially a guided journey, a recorded audio scripted guided journey for you guys that is designed to be used in session, in a psychedelic session, in lieu of a good psychedelic therapist or guide, to take you through the experience of having a mystical experience or an ego dissolution experience safely, comfortably, and blissfully, kind of guiding you into that non-dual state or experience, and then helping you to slowly regain your identity and regain your ego, come back and have kind of a rebirth experience. So this is based on some early experiences I had, and I thought it'd be cool to kind of script something out like this and create it and then record it and include it as a product. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do just this guided thing or if I'm going to do a whole package that might include a bunch of prep stuff, audios and stuff for prep to kind of train you and get you really set up properly for a journey. Then this guided journey, and then maybe like a whole aftercare thing with integration and grounding and other practices. So I'm still on the fence about that. But in general, I've been working on this thing that I really want to share because I realize that there are a lot of you out there who can't afford psychedelic therapy or can't find a psychedelic therapist and, need some sort of support, want to have a positive experience with psychedelics, perhaps are curious about what it means to have an ego dissolution or, a non-dual or an ego death type experience, and want to do so in a safe, fun, not triggering, not overwhelming manner. And so I've been working on the background. So I kind of created a script. And then I fed it into GPT. I'm having a hard time saying that. And so I fed it to the AI. And I'm using ChatGPT 4. I tried first 3.5, found that the output wasn't amazing for my purposes. So I re-put it back in and I had it write it from different kind of attitudes and points of view and character types and tonal types until I found like a really nice set of kind of prompts to get it to kind of deliver the script in a really nice, clear, kind of safe, well-phrased way that as I read it and as I hear it, feels really good. It's actually surprising how well it actually mimics like a really secure, positive, kind of supportive, kind of therapist type language or linguistics. So I've been actually really impressed. In general, with other questions I've asked it or other things I've asked it to do, I've been less impressed. But when it comes to rewriting some input, it's done a fantastic job. So anyways, I just thought I'd share this with you guys. I do think ChatGPT has its place. Obviously, it has its strengths. links. I'm sure we'll see a lot more of it as it starts to get kind of woven into probably every website and everything we use online. It'll probably autofill things, or, we'll kind of give it, our reply to something, and it'll make a more formal email. And that'll be kind of more standard way of communicating probably moving forward. There are definitely things that it clearly doesn't understand because it's just a language model. It's not an actual thinking machine yet, but I was actually really impressed. So just thought I'd share all that with you, let you know that I'm working on this project behind the scenes that I think is going to be really amazing. I think you're really going to enjoy it. And let you know that I did use some AI, mostly just to kind of rephrase things and kind of tighten up the language and the syntax and all that. And so, yeah, that'll be out sometime in the near future. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing well out there. Take care. More content on the way soon. And of course, as always, if you like this content, do me a favor, like, subscribe, share it with somebody who you know who's interested in this stuff also. As always, I'm trying to kind of build the channel, which has been slow going because I'm not really one to like massively self-promote and blow this up and, clickbait the shit out of you guys and, string you along. So if you could do a favor, if you find value in this channel, if you could, do all the things that support the algorithm, give the thumbs up, leave a comment, send it to a buddy, whatever. I'd really appreciate it. All right. Much love to you all. Take care. I've got a lot to share with you guys in the near future because I'm starting a bunch of training soon. So lots to talk about. All right. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon.